Today we're going to remake a drink we made last month because we did it wrong. My fault. I take responsibility. Watch for the actual Matador. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Dan. We're making a cocktail for you this Thursday.
Thursday?
This is called the Matador. We did this last month with almond tequila, but...
And you made us squeeze oranges.
I did.
That was fun.
4 ounces of it.
Yeah.
And it's actually pineapple juice.
And all we have to do with pineapple juice is open up a can.
Right.
It's much easier.
Oh, you have to shake it.
Yeah.
Well,
I already shook it. I don't want you guys to get excited.
Pre-shaken, pre-squeezed, easy peasy,
Yes.
lemon squeezy. So the recipe breakdown is going to be 1.5 ounces of, we originally used Añejo tequila. We're going to use silver this time. 4 ounces of unsweetened pineapple juice. 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. You're going to put it in a highball. So you're gonna add ice. Hold up. You're gonna add ice to a highball. Never mind. You're gonna shake.
What am I doing? Am I shaking?
Nothing. It's good. You're fine.
Don't screw it up again.
I saw add ice to a highball. So normally when I start my description that way, it's just gonna be building glass. But we're not gonna build in glass. You're gonna
now
put it in your shaker.
Nervous. I don't know
because
what you're doing.
the shaker in pineapple makes for lovely, sweet, sexy drinks because the pineapple gets all that nice little heady foam on there.
Yeah.
And I like that.
So why would you stir it in a glass?
I don't really know. Because it's so basic.
All right. Just making sure I know what I'm doing.
Our executive producer is Anthony Anweiler. I forgot all the executive producers except one last month, so I'm gonna fix that by just saying it right now. I have a 5-point system.
You do. I don't know if you look at it much.
Not at all. So
I mean, it's really good. It's there. It's right in front of you.
It's only 5 things I have to do.
You don't even have to take your eyes off the camera, and it's right there. But
I can't do it. So number 1, click the bell icon so you can subscribe and get notifications every time we put out a new episode, which is going to be now starting forever from now until I say otherwise, every Thursday. You get a recipe.awesomericks.com to find this recipe and all the recipes from last month and most of the recipes the month before.
Exactly.
I feel like I have to do something. Is that good?
Where's your
Was it
icy
sexy?
ice picker thing?
Icy ice picker.
The tongs.
Tongs.
You're going to use it. That's going to take you forever.
Don't you worry about it.
Okay.
You just keep talking.
All right.
Keep them entertained.
So I've modified so the live stream, which people are watching now, and everybody else, I've moved everything. So we're gonna do 1 episode a week because it's easier for me having a full-time job to try and rush to get everything done. Yep.
Derek's got a job.
He was all supportive before this. So there's a lot of editing that goes on. So this literally cuts everything in half, and I did the math. I will lose, ad revenue-wise, about $12 by doing this. So
see, but now what people can do is
watch it twice.
They can comment and they can subscribe.
Right.
And basically
Interact,
tell you what drinks they really want to see, and we can focus on that.
Yeah. I mean,
right?
Because you have money now.
Oh.
It's not the same as Ian, but...
Oh, it's not the same.
So I don't have to worry about the pain.
It's more love.
Boom!
See that?
See that? Well, your hand's a little wet.
Ooh. Like that.
And whoa, the
See?
sexiness. It
You
looks
don't get
better.
that with orange juice.
No, this looks better. This looks like a refreshing
Smells
tequila
better.
drink.
It
It
tastes
does.
better.
Smells, taste.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's find out if it's gonna taste, smell, or what all those other things are better. Oh, I'm warm. So I focused this month on kind of drinks for heat because when I was making the list, it was friggin' hot.
It's like salty pineapple.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's got the little pineapple. There's a little tartness in it. Maybe because it's not... We had this argument before. Is pineapple sweeter or less sweet than orange juice? It's less sweet, right? Whatever I said was wrong.
It depends. It's really...
sweeter,
The
yeah.
saltiness of the tequila really
sweeter?
comes out in it.
Pineapple juice is sweeter than orange juice.
I would think so.
But it's not... Well, there's no sugar in it.
No.
There's no sweetener besides the pineapple
Yeah.
juice.
Pineapple juice is pretty sweet. Though.
Yeah. But it has a little... you know what? The
It's
lime,
really refreshing.
The lime gives the acidity, which is giving it like a little bite and the sour finish, which I think it just feels like it works better. Tequila sunrises with orange juice. I know you had issues with orange juice last month because of the whole tomato episodes.
No. See, I don't mind orange juice.
And
When orange juice plus tomato juice
Yeah.
equals gross juice.
Yeah,
it was the
or
That's-
like each one separately.
Yes.
Just like tomato juice.
So
I like tomato juice. I like orange juice.
in my
don't wanna like
defense, in the Vampiro episode, somebody commented, and I went back to the tape, you never put lime juice in it. So it really wasn't made correctly because it didn't have the sour component.
It wouldn't
And
matter.
you said
It
it's
still
too
tastes like
sweet,
shit.
and you're all, and I was like, man, now it's inconclusive.
I didn't put lime in it? Did
No.
I make that drink?
Yes.
Oh, did Ian sit out that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what happens.
So that's what happens. And so you should make the Vampiro and tell Dan it actually tastes so much better
Okay.
than lime.
Someone make that drink and tell me if you like it or not.
Right.
Because
The link right here for...
and put the lime in it because that's going to make a big difference when you jam orange juice and tomato juice together.
I'm just saying. We didn't... so before I go any further, this is called the Chicago Highball Glass, available at awesomedrinks.com. You can use the coupon code that's about to pop up. Please, Derek, don't forget to do this. It's, what's it? June 18th. Save 18% off until July 7th. I'm figuring that's around the time that the next video is going to go.
Exactly. So
I did 5 videos, one every Thursday, and I moved right into the first Thursday of July because I don't know when we're going to live stream next, so I wanted to have one in my back pocket to throw out there.
it's like middle of July.
Yeah. Well, normally we try the beginning.
Yeah, that's true.
But the beginning, it moves.
Yeah.
Sometimes even the 12th
True.
is the beginning to us, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Someplace around
But this drink is good.
It's good. It's
It's,
better than the
refreshing.
last one because it's A, hot, B, maybe this is the Blanco, it adds a little bit of a kicky like brightness to it.
Mm-hmm.
You get the tequila, you get the pineapple juice, and you get a tart sour. All 3 components working in unison without being too...
It's good. It might taste a little bit. I could see it tasting a little bit different with like the añejo.
Yeah, like subtler.
Yeah, but I mean, you just get the saltiness from the tequila, and that's
Good
yeah.
enough.
Like you
It's
don't.
easy. It's an
It's
easy.
an easy drink.
I like
easy
easy
to
drinks.
Easy to drink. You
Okay.
can put your twist on it.
My twist is...
You
I
can
was
make.
gonna-
You
I
can
was
put something
gonna-
spicy in it if you wanted
I was
to.
gonna try and do a twist, but then I realized I don't know how.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know how to do it. No, they really can't see it much in here.
I know, it's-
Yeah, we're down too low. Hold on.
Yeah,
Hear about
jalapenos.
jalapeno?
Jalapeno simple syrup
Yeah.
if you needed to, because I don't know how a jalapeno just what would you infuse
No, you
the
could shake
tequila?
it. You could infuse the tequila. You could shake it.
like we
whatever.
did with that habanero.
Yes.
That was awesome. We were sweating.
You just put it. You don't put it in there for 6 weeks.
Just put it in there for
Yeah.
like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
That is my suggestion. You guys want value add. We made this already, but differently. Here's your value add. You take some Alma tequila. That was our last one sponsor, right? You're going to take the Alma tequila. You're going to infuse that with habaneros for 20 minutes. Roast them on the grill.
Yep.
Take off the skin. This is the fun part, right? And then
It's a lot of work.
it is. And then, but you could use the whole bottle if you want to. You know,
Yeah.
that way you don't have to do it once. I did a little bit. Then you put it in your tequila. You let it sit for 20 minutes, not 4 hours.
Not 4 hours.
Unless you love spice.
Because it gets really hot.
Yeah. Then you make this drink again with that spiciness and see which one you like better. Because people, the fear, and people keep commenting like, well, how would it be with a bitter? How would it be with this? Would it
You
taste
just-
okay with this?
you try it.
Just do it. Like, there's nothing that can harm you by experimenting to make an awesome drink.
You get your set of bitters from awesomedrinks.com.
Obviously.
And then you experiment.
Right. I don't. That's the
Tiki
only
bitters go with a ton of stuff.
That was one of the ones that had question.
Yeah.
It was the almond one, the Pinky Gonzalez. So like, what about
Oh,
tiki bitters?
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Of course.
All right. That's enough. That's my rant for today. Sidebar for more videos down below. Bartender starter kit at awesomedrinks.com. I should have them in stock by then. I had some issues with inventory, but it'll be fixed. All right.
It's getting there.
We'll teach you how to drink.